Well, it's suitcase time. Once again, we're going to go back on the road after not traveling very much since COVID started, and we're back off to Europe. When we're going to go this time, we're heading to several countries. Our furthest destination is going to be Bulgaria to visit some of Deanna's friends, and we'll be bouncing around in other places. All warm. It's only 30.7 degrees here today, which is about 85 Fahrenheit or something like that. So,
But it's been a pretty cool and wet summer here. So now I'm gonna go warm my bones in 30 dry in
yes,
the
we're, we're,
countries we're going to visit.
we're 31 humid degrees here, and it'll be much more comfortable with the dry heat. So, we have pared down from our previous carry on only, and we found even with the carry on only, there were things that we took and never used. So Deanna's been working very, very hard to cut back on what we're taking. And before she gets into the detail, you'll see on the left side of the bed here is Deanna's very few things, and on the right side of the bed is the stuff that I've been allowed to take.
So let's start with our new accessory or luggage. Last time we traveled, it was in Portugal, and actually Coimbra and Porto, dragging our suitcases because we do walk. We don't take public transport or Uber or what have you. We walk.
If we can get there in about an hour to an hour and a half, we'll walk it rather than take
Yes,
transit.
and most of the time we do. And last time, the backpack with two computers, which we take with us, was a little bit on the heavy side on Alex. Well, we're getting old anyway. So
It was an
I,
uncomfortable backpack they were in.
the same backpack we travel every time.
It's always been uncomfortable.
Right. So I decided to check the hard cover with opening for computers. And of course, I went to a few places. They were awfully expensive, the brand numbers, brand makes. And then I went to Amazon and found one 10 times cheaper. We'll see how it will last, but I hope to last for a few seasons. Uh, the good thing of this is it fits the two laptops here, I'll pack them later, their pockets here, and then inside it's the same size like what we used to have, uh, the one that I'm not taking, but as volume, there is enough to pack not only our luggage but a small dog or cat.
Yeah, I mean the real advantage of having that outside pocket for the computers is going through the airport through security. It's easy enough just to open that, slide everything out, throw it on the trays for scanning, and then put it back.
Yeah, and then it was the backpack, one more luggage to go to with the security. Now we will be taking that little foldable, not foldable, but a little backpack for day trips, which will go in one of the suitcases. So um, in the end, we will have the two suitcases plus my purse with all the documents, passports, and all that. What are we gonna take to where? So we are flying to Vienna. I'm going right away to Bratislava. It's a lovely city. I've been in the 90s, and somebody said that it's a boring city, but it's a lovely city, and that's where we will recover from the jet lag and explore. Slovakia is known for its mountains. If we get a side trip, unfortunately, their trains are very slow and the roads are very wiggly, so I'm not sure whether we can get to a mountain, but we may try. We'll ask the locals for recommendation.
And we're not too worried about Bratislava being a boring city. We've been to Adelaide.
Yes.
Sorry, Australian friends.
So we packed mainly for 33 degrees above 30. And the only time we may need warm wear is when we go to Netherlands. We'll fly to Amsterdam, fly out of Amsterdam, and we will be having few days in Haarlem and possibly Leiden. But so for that, I'm taking my light warm jacket. This is just a light throw for airplanes or for evenings. All the rest is I have here 5 t-shirts and a scarf, 2 pair of pants, 2 dresses, a very light throw and a light top blouse. And that's it for me, plus the underwear, socks, PJs, and a raincoat here.
Yeah, one of the reasons we can travel so light is we don't tend to go to places where you have to be dressed up.
Yeah, we initially we were taking when we start traveling something for formal, but we don't go to expensive places where they require formal dressing. The places I've been thinking was Vienna's opera. Unfortunately, it won't be open when we go. However, there are other venues like the concert halls and all that we may visit, depending on the time, in Vienna and other places. So that's my side. Alex's side is much smaller. He's traveling with, he always take 2 pair of pants. He's standard, and if he needs to buy something in Europe, now that's the other thing. We're not going in the wilderness. If something breaks or not, we can buy from there. So he's traveling with a shirt, a light vest, and one of his pants. He has his spare pants. And then I actually will put probably one more t-shirt. He has another long sleeve shirt that rolls over, 3 long sleeves and 2 short sleeves.
Now you may be wondering why, if we're going to places where it's 33 degrees, why I'm taking so many long sleeve things. And that's because I'm not supposed to be exposed too much to the sun.
Yeah, with his condition, he should not be on the sun, or if he's on the sun, he has to cover up. We have 2 Tilly hats, mine and his. I'm sure he will wear his. I don't know about mine. It may just travel with us.
Deanna has trouble wearing hats.
His raincoat, mid-layer, which is very warm, that if we get stranded, like Canada goes on strike and we can not return on time, then we need something.
Or if we make a side trip to the Arctic.
Yes. And socks, underwear, PJs. That's
it.
That's it. Now we have shoes. This time also we decided on, I'm taking my running shoes. They're dark enough to go anywhere. And Alex is taking his usual
trail shoes. Yeah.
We both have a pair of sandals, which are packed here. His sandals, my sandals. Here, one thing that we didn't have to have before, but recently is his medications, the technology part of it, some masks, and then I also packed 2 pair of slippers for
hotel slippers.
Hotel slippers for the
disposable
apartment, toiletry bag. That's all we're taking. This will come here, of course. I have my face cream. I don't pay taxes to vanity. I've said this many times. I only use one face cream. That's it.
She only has one face, so why would she need more than one face cream?
The toiletry, toothpaste, toothbrush, combs, everything is here. 2 umbrellas, because
Holland.
And anywhere else.
And anywhere else if it rains and it's not too windy.
Glass cleaners, spare glasses.
Lots of little fiddly bits.
That's it. With what we're taking this time. Now I'm gonna pack